Hey you guys, Sportshot here, and the hacks were updated to increase accuracy when shooting. But anyways, let's just get right into the video and how to update the hack, or how to get the hack. So if you already have the hack, all you have to do is go to the link under script in the description and click update, and just go all the way through, and down here you can see that it'll be updated. You can just discard those. Now if you haven't gotten it before, I have everything in the description for it, but I'm going to remove everything right now so I can do it again. I'm going to search Tamper Monkey in Google, go to the Chrome store, should be this one, add extension, and then you should get a page to pop up. Yep, there it is, and just get rid of that, you don't need it. And then you go to Greasy Fork. I'm going to search for script source, and then install the script, install, and now you can go up here to your little like extensions bar, click Tamper Monkey, then dashboard, and then make sure that it is green and enabled. Now I'm going to go to Krunker.io, and then you want to click always allow. And now we can try the hack out. So the keybinds are B to start / stop B hopping, T to go through your different auto aim modes, and I believe what is it? I for the extra player info. I'll show you that next game. Okay, so we are in a new game, and I'm gonna press I. As you can see, it just shows you their distance and what weapon they're using, but I'm gonna use the hack. It does kind of mess things up a little bit. I prefer to use the hunter or the detective. The detective is probably the best for it, so I'm gonna rush into the cap zone right now. You see that? So yeah, the detective is definitely the best class for it, or the hunter if you want to level up your hunter, but that's about it. Please remember to subscribe and hit that bell notification button for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next video.